Good day, dear chess lovers. Finally, the year 2020 is behind. This was really a very challenging year for my country, for Armenia. First, coronavirus struck and then a war broke out. Currently, I'm not in the mood of celebrating the new year as the coronavirus is still raging and the wounds of war still have not been covered with scars. Hope that this new year, the 2021, will be a better one for all of us and for our countries. What I want to do right now is to share with you two thematic chess problems. And if you take a closer look, you can see that the pieces are placed in such a way that they are forming number 21. In both problems, the task is to mate in 3 moves. You can pause the video in order to try to solve the chess problems on your own. And by the way, forgot to mention that the problems are composed by A.Kudryavtsev. Now look, in this first chess problem, in order to mate in 3 moves, white is going for an under promotion to a bishop. And now black is left with only a single move. All black can do is to play king b6. After which white is landing a staggering pawn and is playing rook a5. This time white is sacrificing the rook. At the cost of a sacrifice, white is managing to announce a checkmate in the shortest possible way. Now black can either play c5 or accept the rook sacrifice. If c5, then rook b5 is mating. But what if black accepts the rook sacrifice? Then this time bishop c7 can follow and we have a checkmate on the board. And now let's turn to this chess problem where again the task is to mate in 3 moves. In order to do so, white is first playing rook e8. This is a very cunning move. All black can do is to play king g5 and there comes rook h8. So it turns out that it's this beautiful rook maneuver which allows white to announce mate in 3. And now whatever black plays, yes, rook h5 is mating. For example, if king f5, then rook h5 checkmate. And if you move your bishop, whatever you play, for example, bishop h2, then again rook h5 and we have a checkmate on the board. Well, this is it, dear chess lovers. Hope that you enjoyed these chess problems. Let in 2021 the only problem you face be a chess problem. Wish you strength and courage to withstand the blows of fate.